A Lamborghini Revuelto sits in a dimly lit tunnel. The headlights flash on. A deep V12 roar echoes through the space. Lamborghini has done it again. A hybrid hypercar. But make no mistake, this is not about saving fuel. This is about pure performance. The Revuelto accelerates at full speed on a winding mountain road, followed by a POV cockpit shot. Meet the Lamborghini Revuelto. With 1,001 horsepower, a screaming V12, and cutting-edge hybrid technology, this is a revolution on wheels. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the design, performance, and technology behind Lamborghini's latest masterpiece. And trust me, this car does not disappoint. 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto, ultimate hybrid power and Italian perfection. Like what you see? Smash that like button and subscribe for more supercar content. The rear engine cover opens, revealing the 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12. This is where the magic happens. A 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, paired with not one, not two, but three electric motors. Engine, 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V, 12 electric motors. 3, 2 front, 1 rear. Total power, 1,001 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.5 seconds. Top speed, 217 plus miles per hour, 350 plus kilometers per hour. The electric motors provide instant torque and lightning-fast response. No turbos, no lag, just raw, unfiltered power. What's the design of this car? 100% Lamborghini. It looks like it came straight from the future. Y-shaped LED lights, aggressive air intakes, active rear wing. But it's not just about looks. This design is all about function, with 40% more downforce than the Aventador, giving you better grip, better stability, and an even wilder driving experience. And those signature Y-shaped lights? They make sure you know this is a Lamborghini, through and through. Step inside, and you feel like a fighter pilot. This is not your average supercar interior. A fully digital cockpit, a central touchscreen, and even a screen for the passenger. Lamborghini has completely modernized the driver experience. With 13 different drive modes, you can switch from silent electric cruising to an all-out track monster. But how does it actually feel to drive? In one word, addictive. The Revuelto blends the aggression of a V12 with the instant torque of electric motors. The result? A brutally fast machine. Comparison with the Aventador. Aventador SVJ, 770 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.8 seconds. Revuelto, 1,001 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.5 seconds. The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto isn't just another new Lambo, it's a game changer. What do you think of the Revuelto? Let us know in the comments. Hybrid technology doesn't mean Lamborghini is losing its soul. If anything, it's making it even more extreme. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more supercar content, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. See you next time.